Hello everybody. So I'm doing pair programming for HTMX with my peer Yasmin, and I'll be doing chapter 3 today. Yasmin, can you hear me?
Yes, Martha, I can hear you perfectly.
Alright. So chapter 3 introduces polling using HTMX. Polling means automatically sending requests to the server at regular intervals to get updated data. So instead of the user clicking a button, the page updates itself every few seconds. So the project that we have is a Bitcoin price tracker. So we build a simple app that displays a Bitcoin price, automatically updates every 5 seconds, and does this without any front end JavaScript. So in our HTML, we have the hx get, the get price, and then hx trigger every 5 seconds. So the hx get, it sends a get request to the server. The trigger repeats the request every 5 seconds, and then the response replaces the content inside our h2. So the price keeps refreshing automatically. um, and then in our server JS, we have okay, and then in our server JS, so a starting price was set to 60, and then each request slightly increased or decreased it randomly. So the server sent back the new price, and then the HTMX updates the H2 automatically, and then this simulates a live Bitcoin price feed. And then so why this app is powerful. So normally we would need JavaScript, the set interval, Ajax or fetch API, and DOM manipulation. But then with HTMX, we just needed one attribute, which is the hx trigger every 5 seconds, and that's it. So in this chapter, we learn how to implement polling, how to auto refresh parts of a page, how HTML can replace JavaScript timers, and then how server driven UI updates work. And then we can use this technique for livestock prices, crypto tracking, notifications, chat updates, order status tracking, and dashboard metrics. So HTMX is not just about buttons and forms. You can trigger requests on intervals. It can replace page content automatically. You can also keep our UI dynamic, and then it still requires zero front end JavaScript. So each chapter builds our HTMX understanding step by step. In chapter 1, we clicked to fetch, and then in chapter 2, we submitted the form. And then in chapter 3, we learned the auto refresh with polling. I hope everything was clear on your side, Yasmin.
Yes, Martha, it was very clear. Thank you.
Alright, no problem. Thank you.